welcome to part 5. Actually, supposed to be last class. Part 6 will be practice questions. In the single class, one I will give for singly, one I will give for doubly. Today is the most important, this class part 5, because cross section is going to be doubly reinforced. See, singly reinforced means one line answer. Doubly means one page answer. Okay. Start. Question this time I will dictate because no space. You can see here, I changed the previous numbers. I forgot last time, right? One thing forgotten here. NE, I not written. Okay, understood. Okay, now copy the question first. A rectangular section of a RC beam has width of 300 millimeter, depth of 600 millimeter. It is required to resist a factored BM of 325 kilonewton meter sagging. Taking M20 concrete and FE 500 steel, decide whether cross section is to be designed as singly reinforced or doubly reinforced, and accordingly find cross sectional area of longitudinal reinforcement required. Question. Now, if applicable, not before that one, 1 minute. Find cross-sectional area of longitudinal reinforcement required. Effective cover of tension reinforcement is to be taken as 60 millimeter given. And if applicable, take effective cover of 50 millimeter to compression steel. Over. Question. The last time I told if applicable 45, not applicable, leave it. Okay, start. Same way. Write the cross section, sagging BM only. Everything is over. B, D, FCK, FY. I don't have to waste time on all these things. But remember, last time bending moment given corresponding to working load or service load. So we factored. But this time factored BM only given. So therefore, thank you. Okay, factored BM directly given 325 kilonewton meter. Same thing I wrote. This is same as last test. I won't read once again. But one thing I added. Find AST required, or this way, for when cross section is required to resist a bending factored BM of 325. Last time we should write factored BM of 90 kN meter. I forgot write. Actually not required. Okay. Now first step. So far, see, my sketch is only singly. I have not shown ASC here. Still we don't know. Whatever it is, B, D, I have not marked this. Okay, forgotten. Okay, no problem. 600. Okay. Some will find out. Sir, where is D? Okay, this is your D. B, D, AST, XU, STXU are always there. If doubly compression side, ASC will come. That we will see later. So first sketch is only for singly. Same limiting MR I told, substitute in the formula, it will come 233.76. Why I am not explaining? Last class explained fully. Same repeat. I change only numbers. So it will come 233.76. So compare. Factored BM to be resisted. You can write here. Factored BM to be resisted. 325. Limiting MR for singly. 233. Oh, last time came less. Therefore it was singly. This time came more. Cross section is to be designed as doubly reinforced. Therefore we have to find AST required and also ASC required, right? And also ASC required. And they told, if applicable, effective cover to compression steel is 50 mm. So that is D dash. Yes, now applicable. Okay, now systematically we will start. This full I am removing, full I will remove, nothing will be there. Therefore, I will make a small note for me. My note, B value, I may forget later. I write here. B 300, D 540, M20 concrete, FE 500 steel, and then MU limit is, where's MU limit? 233.76. Okay, for my reference, not for, you cannot see it. Anything else required for me? 1 minute. MU minus MU plus ASC D minus D dash, singly. Okay, nothing else required. I wrote FY over, BD over, over. That's all. Nothing required. So next step will be As soon as I come back once again here, full board I am removing, I am writing calculation of cross-sectional area of tension steel required, that is AST required, and also cross-sectional area of compression steel required, that is AS required. I will put the statement there and start. Okay. Start now. Calculation of AST required and ASC required. Given effective cover to compression steel 50 mm. See, one more sketch I will write. Numbers are not required. D dash is the only extra. Other things are repeating. Now, one very, very important statement. See, procedure sheet, I written there. Required cross-sectional area of longitudinal reinforcement means AST, ASC are calculated corresponding to a balance section, that is for XU equal to XU max equal to XU max equal to 0.46D, get the value of XU max. Now you follow the procedure. Now, first we have to find ASC required. We have this formula I given in procedure, mu minus mu limit equal to FSC ASC into D minus D dash. Now, FSC. FSC, earlier it was called stress to be considered, now called design stress. Earlier XU, now XU max. Now I will do one thing. I will not explain anything from here. See, I will not explain anything now. From here, see, it is refusing. It is telling explain. No, not explaining. From here up to here till you get FSC. Very sorry. See, first find epsilon SC, get the answer. You then epsilon SC 0.0035. Epsilon SC calculation for epsilon SC equal to epsilon SC equal to 0.00, how much it is? 280, sorry, it misprinted. 280. Okay. First you find epsilon SC, then for that epsilon SC you have to find FSC, torque steel, figure 23A, E epsilon SC proportionality limit, then compare, your calculated value is more, so it will come in the curved path. The number I decided is 0.952 FY, substitute 413.91. Those who give value for education, they will not object. They know this is solved earlier at least more than 10 times during the analysis problems. So suppose they have not solved completely, they will know it is their mistake. They will tell themselves, oh, I should have studied that one. It is not the mistake of that person who is teaching. They will tell, it is my mistake, so better I study. Those who do not give value for education, they may start telling, nothing explained, simply writing something. Let them tell, first of all. I am least bothered for the people who don't give value for education. Very sorry. So, actually, if I explain this one, it will be injustice for dedicated students and completely time waste. So, we got finally FSC. Now, see, start. Now, I will complete the question here. Little more I will go for. See, what I remove. This I can remove. Not required. This also not required. 1 minute. I remove unwanted part. This also not required. So that like a complete now, single stretch. Okay. I will keep on rubbing whatever is not required. Okay. Substituting. Where? See, here. You write here. Substituting here. Or you write. Okay. Substituting in right. In right. Don't write right. Mu. 325 10 to the power 6 minus mu limit. Where is it? Mu limit. Oh, I noted down there. See, 233.76. That's why I noted down. 233.76 10 to the power 6 equal to FSC 413.91. One information for you. If you use SP16 chart table, you get 413.93. Oh, that is same. Okay. into our important, what you are calculating, into what? I maintain the color, into ASC into D 540 minus 50. Therefore, you get the value of ASC required. ASC required will come in mm square because the time factor is there. I already calculated 449.87. Not somewhere paper, in the corner of board. Before I started writing here, I noted down 449. See, I forgot. 449.87 mm square, 87. Sometimes this ink, 87 mm square is ASC required. Okay. Now we have to find AST required, total. As per IS code, AST required, they used one word, what? Total. Actually, the total is not required. Understood. Equal to AST1. Everything is explained in the procedure sheet. AST2. First write. What is AST1? See. AST1 is area of tension reinforcement for singly reinforced, space is not there, singly reinforced rectangular section for, they told, MU limit. That means, or you can write once again, AST1 is area of, once again, tension reinforcement for singly reinforced rectangular balance section. Because MU limit means balance section. That is for XU equal to XU max, or you can tell XU black color, XU equal to XU max, or you can tell where XU by D is there, you can write XU max by D. Actually, waste of time, all these. Okay, this statement you write. Now write how to calculate. Step by step procedure. I already told the procedure for you. I am rubbing out unwanted part now. See. Again, solution is, I always solve systematically. See, I never jump the steps. Nobody can get any doubt anywhere. See, we have, I told from IS code, for singly reinforced rectangular section, don't write SRI. I am teaching, you are learning, write full. Rectangular section, IS code, your XU by D equal to 0.87 Fy into AST divided by 0.36 FCK B into D. What you do? Now, replace that AST by AST1 and substitute XU by D equal to XU max by D. XU max by D equal to, you know the answer, 0.46 for this question. Now start. Substituting 0.46 over equal to 0.87 into 500 into your AST1 divided by 0.36 FCK 20 into 300 into D is 540. Therefore, you get the value of AST1 equal to, some value will come. 1233.43. 1233.43 mm square is AST1. Next. Right. Next. which one? AST1 over. Now explain AST2 briefly. Actually not required. AST2 is additional area, this is only for understanding, additional area of tension reinforcement to balance compression force in compression reinforcement force in ASC, you write in ASC to understand correctly. Don't write ASC in compression reinforcement. Then over. Last step now. So anyway, IS code has a directly given formula. They are told AST2 equal to FSC into ASC divided by 0.87 Fy equal to FSC. That is FSC 413.91 into ASC already calculated 449.87. See 449.8. Actually it is not colored now, already known for you, divided by 0.87 into 500. Therefore your AST2 equal to 428, correct? 420 S 8.06 mm square. Over. Lastly, therefore, therefore AST required. That is total. Okay. Therefore, as per IS code, therefore total AST required equal to, once again write AST1 plus AST2 equal to AST1 we got. Here is AST1 1233.43 33.43 plus 428.06 equal to 1661.49 mm square. Okay. Now over. All over. Now write the conclusion. Everything over. Put conclusion. Therefore conclusion. Therefore, black I will write, for given cross section, for resisting given factored BM, what is not required? Given factored BM, cross sectional area of compression steel required. Actually no, you should always first write tension steel. Cross sectional area of tension steel required, that is AST required equal to 1661.49 mm square, and you write cross sectional area, area of compression steel required, that is, this is to what you call it systematically, ASC required equal to ASC required 447.87 mm square. Over. Completely over. Now, why IS code split AST into two parts of AST1, AST2? It has got reason. Actually, there is some reason. That all I won't tell. But actually, make a note here. It has got a reason. But actually, the splitting of AST1, AST2 is not required. You can directly get AST. I will tell you how to get it now. Only for information. See, right here. Note. Just make a note here. You stop. Extra note. My observation. See. Instead of splitting AST into two parts, we can directly get total AST by what? Equating Cu to Tu for doubly reinforced section. Therefore, first find AST required. First ASC required. Okay, first ASC required. What is the answer? First get ASC required. First get ASC required is same procedure. 447.87 mm square. You got it. Okay. Then by Cu equal to Tu. This already I told you the analysis. Actually, people are not doing 0.36 FCK into B into XU plus FSC into ASC equal to 0.87 Fy into AST. See, known, XU equal to XU max, FSC known, ASC known, Fy known. Substitute, we will get AST required equal to 1661.49. Same answer. If you observe correctly, that also same as, actually same thing. See, point is FCK BXU equal to 0.87 Fy into AST1. FSC ASC by 0.87 Fy is AST2. Actually, it is same. But for some reason, IS code split. What is the reason? I can tell in the star class, if at all I take the star class. Okay, now, systematic way, calculation of required reinforcement, longitudinal reinforcement for both singly and doubly. Singly means only AST, doubly means AST and ASC. Everything is over. Okay, next I will go for design of shear reinforcement by limit state method. After that, last one, I will consider analysis of T section. It is very important. So many get confused in that. Especially when nucleus comes in the web, two different types are there. When I consider the cases, systematically I will do it. Okay, thank you.